All right, it's a little bit chilly out there this evening, but overall today I thought was pretty decent for a late January day here in March. Better than what we've had. That cold stretch was brutal.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Well, we're kind of going through it as we go into the upcoming work week. We're going to be looking at some gusty winds increasing from the southwest. That generally gives us some warmer air to deal with. But when you're up to 30 miles per hour plus, that's not going to feel so great out there. Snow chances after a nice dry Monday will be increasing Tuesday slightly and then Wednesday. And then behind that, some colder air works in. So colder air is already coming back into place right now as we take a look at our downtown Portland Skycam. Everything is nice and clear, beautiful, picture perfect stargazing temperatures into the 20s. We are going to be watching our winds starting to pick up as we go through the early morning hours of your Monday. So they're nice and calm right now, not a whole bunch of wind chill to worry about. Maybe if you can just bundle up additionally. But in the next 24 hours, temperatures after a nice cool evening tonight into your morning time frame. Teens to 20s rising to the low to mid 30s, but because of the wind chill, you will feel even colder than that. And temperatures up towards the north, even Bethel, Farmington, staying right where they typically do in average into the teens. So as we look at our 8-day forecast further out, we'll have a few days of snow and a few days of sunshine, but we're also going to be seeing a lot of wind going over the next few days as well. Gusts from the southwest Monday will be continuing up to about 30 to 35 miles per hour. Further inland, not a whole bunch of you will see those winds, but it will be a factor into our temperatures, feeling even colder. Now, as we go into Tuesday after a nice dry Monday, we're going to be looking at a strong cold front pushing down. This will give us some reduced visibility from snow squalls up towards the mountain range, and that can give way to some slick roads. We're not expecting a whole lot of snow out of Tuesday's cold front, but it's the winds. We're going to be looking at the west winds. Could see some gusts closer to 40 miles per hour. And then once this system is out of here, we're clearing out and drying out until our next system gets here, our next clipper system, that is, by Wednesday. There's still a lot of time between now and then, so to put a snowfall out map now, I wouldn't risk it. So we're going to be at least between 1 to 3 inches at most. Look at how quick this system is in and out of here. But the temperatures, because it's going to be so cold, it's going to be dry and fluffy. And then once that system is out here, the cold air comes right on in. So here it is, the play out of the system. Air moves in as we go into Tuesday with that cold front. We catch a brief break with that clipper system, and then more cold air comes in right crashing in for Thursday into Friday. And you'll really feel it, especially up towards the north. So as we take a quick look at the 8-day inland forecast, yes, we do still have the cold air coming in for you guys. Impact weather for Wednesday for the snow chance, although I think you guys could see a little less than what we do see along the coast. And there's plenty of wiggle room in the 8-day forecast to see changes, so always be prepared when it comes to Mother Nature and what she might throw our way. Connor.
All right, some great